Good morning students and welcome to your GK class. Dear students, today we are going to read 3 lessons in your GK. So what are the lessons that we are going to read through this video? They are, the first one is lesson 15, Joy Farm. Lesson 27, Animal Calls. And lesson 29, Animals Home. We will read and study about these 3 lessons today. So let us start from the first one, lesson 15, Joy Farm, given in page number 7 of your GK book. Here in page number 7 of your GK book, you can see that the lesson name is Joy Farm. Why this farm is called as a joy farm? Because in this lesson, joy farm, you have to learn about natural things and man-made things. What do you mean by natural things? Natural things are those things which are provided by nature. Nature has gifted us a lot of things, such as plants and animals and many other things you can see or learn in this lesson. And the other thing is man-made things. Man-made things, the things which we, the human beings, made with ourselves, with our hand, are called as man-made things. So there are two types of thing. First one is natural thing and the second one is man-made things. Natural things are those things which are given by nature, and man-made things are those things which are made by human beings. So in page number 7, you have to write down N for natural things and M for man-made things. You have to identify the things which are made up, which are given by nature, and those which are given by human beings, those which are made by human beings. So let us see number 1. You can see that there are many things in page number 7. There are many things, many animals, human beings. So you have to mark M for man-made things and N for natural things. Number 1. Here you can see number 1 is a basket. A basket is not a natural thing. It is a man-made thing. A basket is made by human beings by using wood. So it is a man-made thing. So you will write M. Number 2, tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes are natural things. So you will mark this number 2 box with N. Number 3, this placard Joy Farm, in which it is a man-made thing. So you will write M. It is made by human beings. Number 4, you can see there is a hat on the placard. The hat that we use on our head, this hat is made by human being. It is not a natural thing, children. So we will write M for number 4 box. Number 5, cow. Can we make a cow with our hands? Can human beings make cow? No, it is a natural thing. Cow is a domestic animal and it is a gift of nature. So you will write N in this box, number 5. Number 6, this one. What is this? This is a wind fan. This is a huge wind fan. So this is a man-made thing. This is made by human beings. So you will write M in this box. Number 6 box, you will write M. Number 7, clouds. Yes, children. In the sky, you can see that there are many clouds. So, we cannot make clouds with our own hands. Clouds are natural things. So, you will write M in this box. Next is number 8. Number 8. What is this? This is a roof. This is a roof of a house. And these are made by human beings. So it is a man-made thing. So you will write M in this box. Number 8 box, you will write M. Number 9, pig. A pig is an animal. And animals are gift of nature. So you will write N. Number 10. Here you can see it is a sheep. Sheep is also an animal and it is a domestic animal. So you will write N because it is also a natural thing, children. So these are all about Joy Farm. In this farm, you have read about different types of things. Some are natural things and some are man-made things. Once again, I am going to revise the natural things and the man-made things. Natural things are those things which are given by nature, and man-made things are those things which are made by human beings. Let us move towards our next lesson, lesson 27, animal calls, given in page number 8 of your book. Children, we human beings have some different voice, but there are many animals who lives around us. Different types of animals have different sounds. Different types of animals have different sounds, and we call it with different names. Let us read about their calls. For each of the animal, you can see that there is a help box given in the center of page number 8. From this, you have to pick the correct call for the given animals. Number 1 is bird. What is the call of a bird? What do we call the call of a bird? The voice of a bird. A bird chirp. A bird chirp. And the spelling of chirp is C-H-I-R-P. A bird chirps. So the call of a bird is called chirp. Number 2. You can see this is a picture of horse. What is this? This is a horse, and horse is a domestic animal. What is the call of a horse? The call of a horse is neigh. Neigh, N-E-I-G-H, neigh. A horse neighs. Number 3, sheep. You can see there is a picture of sheep. Number 3. What is the call of a sheep? The call of a sheep is called bleat. Bleat. Come to number 4. This is a jackal. And a jackal, what does a jackal do? A jackal do howling. So, a jackal howls. A jackal house. The call of a jackal is called howl. So you will write a howl in this box, in this area. Number 5. Can you identify this animal? Yes, this is a lion. This is a lion. Lion is a wild animal. It lives in the jungle, and the call of a lion is called roar. The call of a lion is called roar. R-O-A-R, roar. Number 6 is cow. How does a cow call? What is the call of a cow? A cow's call is called moo. A cow call is called moo. M-O-O, moo. Number 7, snake. Yes, children, it is a reptile. And a snake, the call of a snake is called hiss. The call of a snake is called hiss. H-I-S-S. H-I-S-S. Hiss is the call of a snake. Number 8 is a dog. A dog. What does a dog do? What do we call the call of a dog? A dog barks. A dog barks. So you will write bark. Which animal is this? This is a duck. This is a duck. It is an aquatic animal, and the call of a duck is called quack. The call of a duck is called quack. Last but not the least, number 10. Which animal is this? This is a frog. This is a frog. And the frog, do you know, children? Frog lives in water and land too. Frog lives in water, inside the water, and land too. So that is why it is called an amphibian. The animals who live in water as well as on land are called as amphibian. And the call of a frog is called as croak. The call of a frog is called croak. So, this is all about the calls of different animals. Let us revise this for one more time. The call of a bird is called chirp. The call of a horse is called neigh. The call of a sheep is called bleat. The call of a jackal is called howl. The call of a lion is called roar. The call of a cow is called moo. The call of a snake is called hiss. And the call of a dog is called bark. The call of a duck is called quack. And the call of a frog is called croak. Now, children, this is all about lesson 27, Animals Call. Let us move to our next lesson, that is lesson 29, Animal Homes, given in page number 13 of your book. Children, just like human beings, animals also need a home to stay, to live. But first of all, can you tell me, why do we need a home? We need a home to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, thieves, and many other things. So just like human beings, animals also need a home and to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and many other factors. So let us see about different homes of different animals. Different animals make their different homes. Some animals make their homes by themselves, and for some animals, we, the human beings, make home for them. Let us see about their homes. Number 1 is, here is the help box, and here in page number 13 you can see that the homes, the picture of homes and animals is given in your book. You have to take the animal to their homes by drawing lines inside these crosswords or the pathways. Horse. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in stable. A horse lives in stable. So you will write 1 here in this help box. And this is the picture of stable. Number 2, pig. Where does a pig live? A pig lives, the house of a pig is called as sty. It's called as sty. S-T-Y, sty. So, this is a sty. So, you will write number 2 here. Number 3 is bird. Where does a bird live? Children, for horse and for pig, we human beings make houses and homes. The house of a horse is called stable. The house of the home of a pig is called sty. We make homes for them. But the birds lives in nest and they make their nest by themselves. Bird used to make nest on the trees, and they make their nest by themselves only. Number 4 is dog. Yes, dog is a pet animal, children. So, we keep dogs in our house, or we also make a house for dogs. The house of a dog, the home of a dog is called as kennel. It's called as kennel. Kennel. Kennel is a small house made by human beings for the dog. Number 5, duck. Where does a duck live? A duck lives in pond. Pond is a small water body. Pond is a small water body. Generally, ducks lives in water, and pond, a small water body, is called as pond. 6, cow. What kind of animal cow is? Cow is a domestic animal, and we, the human beings, make house for the cows to live in. A cow lives in shed. A cow lives in shed. So, here you can see that the picture of shed is given. So, you will write 6 near shed. 7 is spider. Yes, children. Most of you have seen a spider in your homes also. In your houses, you might have seen a spider. Yes, spider lives in web. Spider lives in web. They make their house by themselves. Human beings does not make web for spiders. They make their home by themselves. So these are about the homes of an animal. Let us recall for one more time. A horse lives in stable. A pig lives in sty. A bird lives in nest, and and a dog lives in kennel. A cow lives in shed. A duck lives in pond, and a spider lives in web. So, these are all about the homes of an animal. Children, I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will learn from this video. You will watch this video thoroughly and learn from it. Thank you for watching, children, and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you once again.